I'm going to tell you the color that I see, and you need to try.
No,
and
Mama
guess
is going to pee in the bushes.
what-
Which bush I'm to choose?
Far from here so I don't smell it, that's the only thing I have.
Which bush? That one right there, don't it?
Yeah, you can go on this one. I think I saw some snakes, so you can go there.
Good morning! Hi babes! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say it with Mama. Say good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look at their mouth. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You guys, how are y'all doing? It's bright and early in the morning, and I just rolled out of bed and got fresh and is with my babies. It's some minutes after 9 heading to 10, and let me tell you the dilemma that I have today going on. So baby's still in bed. Tyler has been up from morning.
Mama.
Sarah has been up.
Mama. Excuse me, Mama.
And Tyler is going back to school on Monday. However,
That's me tomorrow, Mama.
that means tomorrow, correct. He have one request. Come, let's tell Fav the request. Come up here so they can see you. I'm gonna lift you and put you up here to sit. Stay here. Up and sit.
It's a little minute. Guess what there is today?
What?
We change of month.
Yes, it's a brand new month.
Today's tomorrow.
It's
And
the
if that-
1st of March. And guess who is born in March?
No.
Grandma.
And did you know?
Grandma in USA, in Texas.
Did you know why?
What? Can you say morning to the face?
Morning, Faith. Did you know why?
What? Stop doing your eye like
This-
that.
March. The gas me I'm going.
I know, but tell the face where you're going this month.
Papa John's Big Duck.
Yes, that's true. Anyway, you guys, Tyler have one request before he go back to school today, and that he wants to go to
Picnic.
He's so loud. You'd have to shout, they're hearing you.
Picnic.
He wants to go to picnic. He wants to go to have a picnic. So when we went to the supermarket on Friday,
No, not on
yesterday.
Friday.
Yesterday.
Saturday, because Friday Papa was very late.
Very good. That's true. So we didn't get to go Friday. We went Saturday. So my kid is my member box. So we went Saturday, and he told me all the things that he wanted to buy to carry to picnic. So we got all the things for him. He wanted bread and cheese and ham to make sandwich. He wanted tomato and lettuce. He wanted apple. He wanted juice. He wanted, what else we got? Banana. So we pick up all those things for picnic today. However, it is the day for the picnic, so we were planning to go and have lunch
Mama?
as picnic. Hold on. It is the day of picnic, and it's very cloudy, just like yesterday. And it's even rained last night, and it's just drizzling right now.
What's the drizzling mean?
Drizzling is when the rain is going, but not hard. It's just slowly dripping, tip top.
Okay.
So it's just drizzling outside right now. However, he's just standing and looking outside and saying, I still wanna go picnic. So we're still gonna take him. I find a spot and we're still gonna go. However, just to make him happy, if it's still raining, he understands that, hey, you're just gonna have to stay in the car. We're just gonna go for a drive if that's what the case is gonna be. So if we can't get out of the car, you're just gonna have to stay in the car and make your sandwiches and pretend that you're outside having a picnic. Right? But we're still gonna go. But the weather should be changing by midday and a little sun should be out. But fingers crossed for the sake of him. Hopefully that will happen.
Mama, guess what?
What?
Today's hot.
No. Look outside. Is it hot? It's hot inside because the heater is on. But when you go outside, it's chilly. So you're gonna have to wear your sweater and your jacket.
Ma?
Who goes to picnic in winter? Tyler. And he's so excited to go to this picnic.
Mama, guess what?
Mama, guess what? Mama, guess what? Mama, guess what? Mama can't guess.
Guess.
Guess what? What?
Did you know that we are in this when we was going to this supermarket Saturday that I was going to tell you that we are going to bring apple to picnic, and that's what I was trying to say.
You did say it, and I did buy the apples.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, I am going to go right now. I'm not even gonna have any breakfast because that's what I've been doing lately, not having breakfast, and I feel good, so that's okay. Probably just gonna have my green juice. I'm going to go right now and get prepared for this picnic and get all the things out. I'm not even gonna make the sandwiches here. We're gonna make them when we reach, so I'm just gonna pack everything that I need, and then let's see how this picnic will turn out. So we'll catch you guys along the way.
Mama, we need mat too to
Yes.
protect the floor.
Yes, we're gonna carry the
Mama,
big red
can I-
blanket.
Okay. Like that. Like that. Can I help you
Yes, you're gonna help me.
to pack the picnic
Yes, you
and
can
make
help
the
me.
green juice?
Okay. This
Mama?
boy. You guys were about to go and look at Sarah, how much she look like Tella. She's in everything that Tella used to wear right now. The entire outfit. From head to toe. Mama love dress you up like your brother. Alright, you guys. We are ready for picnic in the rain. Who's ready for picnic? Look at him.
Mom,
Alright, let's go. Ready?
bonjour, Monsieur Mars.
Here, you guys, we made it to a lake and it's not raining and Tella is happy. Tella, look, you're gonna see these.
You see all of this?
And look at Minnie. All right, let's go.
Mama, be careful.
Yeah, I'm filming you.
Be careful with.
Why are you pulling up? Your belt didn't fix back. Let me show you. Look through the hole. Look at the ducks over there.
You see them?
You see?
I see something moving.
There's two.
You see two of them, Ty?
No, I see only one.
Here,
One.
Tyler, you're not looking at the right. Here.
I see two.
Yeah, you see them here? No, turn on the right. Tyler,
I'm looking.
it's here.
Yes, I see
You
that.
see one that have a green head?
Yes.
Ducks in the water.
And there is one baby duck.
Yes. Alright, come on, let's go. Because I'm here for the food, girl. I'm hungry.
Me too, I'm hungry.
I'm here for the sandwiches and the juice. I'm here for the food. I'm hungry.
Me too, I'm hungry, Mama.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Look, somebody else having picnic over there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if we choose to go the right way. Tyler is such a nature boy. He's ready to go. We just need to find a spot, okay?
There's a lot of spots.
There's a lot of spots.
Here. Like
Yeah,
over
but
there.
but we need to find a spot that we're gonna stay for a while.
Maybe there.
It's wet. Everywhere gonna be wet. You guys, we're here. We made our sandwiches and now I want to pee pee.
Me too.
I want to pee pee in the bushes.
Me too.
Sarah doesn't want to eat, she just want to play.
She just wants to play.
She just want to eat Papa phone. You want to pee pee? Or you don't want to pee pee?
I want to
Come
pee.
eat a sandwich.
I want to pee.
Come here. Let me take your belt and you go over that tree over there.
That?
No, you can go pee pee right near, so you don't have to go anywhere. Hey. You guys, sandwich. If I'm home, the sandwich wouldn't taste this good. But the fact that me out, I feel like it tastes extra nice. Sorry, I love the antics, you see. Oh, sun!
What?
Sun!
Mama?
Yay!
Oh, it is good.
Where's the sun?
It feels good.
The sun in the sky.
Yay. Now look what I can do.
Have a game.
Okay. Don't know what the sheep. Sit and play.
Give me clue. Give me clue. Hurry.
Elephant.
Okay, elephant.
Yeah. Say,
Don't say the word.
say,
Give me clue.
You eat it. You eat it.
Fish.
Yeah, type of
Sardine.
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 Okay. I don't know what. Is it an
I
animal?
know.
Tell me.
Animal.
Is that animal? Dog.
Yes.
Dog.
It like
Is it in pepper animal of the teacher Peppa.
You can't
Gazelle.
Right.
Yes, it was.
Can't give him the...
Mama, I'm going to tell you the color that I see, and you need to try.
No,
and
Mama
guess
is going to pee in the bushes.
what-
Which bush I'm to choose?
Far from here so I don't smell it. That's the only thing I have.
Which bush? That one right there, don't it?
Yeah, you can go on this one. I think I saw some snakes, so you can go this.
I don't see no snake.
Camera.
Eh?
Turn off the camera.
You can edit that or not.
Give me my jacket. Use my jacket to hide my back teeth.
Tyler, it's the same sandwich since forever you eat.
Yeah! Yeah!
Watch Sarah, watch Sarah. You guys don't watch me. Tell her watch your sister. Boy, fall is the boy. Why you kill my piggy? Hello, I'm gonna tell you. I'm trying to kill him.
Look at him.
Baby, by the Jesus, by the kill my piggy.
Papa gonna drink now, so you don't do anything. Wait till it is. Papa gonna do it.
First you are going to put on your shoes and then you are going to put on my shoes like that.
Girl,
with
show
your
Papa
feet.
you're a big girl, you hold your bottle all by yourself.
Bum, bum.
So Papa you're a big girl. Sarah food is cold, she don't want it. I wouldn't eat
Football.
it either. Watch these two.
And the crocodile. And the crocodile. And the crocodile.
You lose! 1, 2, 3, soleil! 1, 2, 3, soleil! Ah, tuono, mi si tuono, turn back! Hey, mi si tuono, turn back! Let's see! 1,
Don't look when you say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, soleil! 1, 2, 3, soleil! Ah, mi si tuono, turn back! Hey, oi, mi si Aaron, turn back!
I want me to count.
No, Tyler, come.
Me to count.
Come, count.
And you go with Papa.
Okay, I'm gonna go with Papa.
Un, deux, trois, soleil. Un, deux, trois, soleil. Dites-lui, bougez, Papa. On dit Papa, go. Un, deux, trois, soleil. Encore bouger, Papa. J'ai encore vu.
She moved. Look, she moved.
Merci, maman, je l'ai vu bouger. Un, deux, trois, soleil. 2, 3, soleil. 1, 2, 3, soleil. Je t'avais brûlé, papa. Dans un seul coup. 1, 2, 3, soleil. 1, 2, 3, soleil. 1, 2, 3, soleil. Je t'avais brûlé, papa.
Look at that, she move.
1, 2, 3, soleil. 1, 2, 3, soleil. 1, 2, 3, soleil.
Look at she move.
Papa, who can and Mama amigo?
Yeah, but she
There
moved
you go.
Yes.
Alright, come.
No, no, recule,
Go
Tyler.
more, man. Let me go, man.
1, 2, 3, son. Mama, mama. 1, 2, 3, son. Tyler, je t'ai vu bouger.
You're wicked. Oh, you're wicked, son.
Je l'ai vu bouger. Et toi, bientôt, je vais te voir bouger. 1, 2, 3, son. Maman. 1, 2, 3, son. One, two, three, son. Maman, je te vois bouger. T'as l'air aussi.
Papa thief.
Now it's my turn to count.
Papa too thief. Me tired. Oi.
Papa, go again.
I am. No, I'm not going again. I'm tired.
Okay, we need to rest a little bit.
I'm tired.
This boy is afraid of everything.
Exactly. He's afraid of everything, but he's not afraid of scary place. Come. Come. I'm seeing too much tissue. This looks like a toilet. Come. No, no, no. It's a secret toilet under here, so. Turn back.
No way to escape from a fear of pain.
That look like a secret toilet. Definitely is a secret toilet. Look the amount of tissue under there. You guys.
I don't think
What?
that's
It is a secret toilet, Tella. It doesn't go anywhere. It's stuck under there.
Because I'm very hot.
So you not take off your clothes and walk naked?
Not naked.
Anyway, you guys, we
Okay,
finished
take off my
playing
clothes.
and we're walking
Mama,
around the
I'm
lake.
going to take off my
Here
clothes
we
to be naked.
bench you want to come
See the lake, right? The lake all the way down there.
Mama, I'm going to be
And we are now walking around the lake. Sarah is sleeping. We're walking the way that we didn't see when we paused early to eat. But it's such a good environment out here. We're in a city called, what's the name of the city, honey?
Muja.
Muja. It's rumored that Rihanna have a house in this city. But there are lone big houses here. A lot of big houses. You don't even really see apartments, but houses, real big houses. So yeah, we're here just walking, and you see a lot of dogs out and playing. And look at this cutie.
Come here.
She's sleeping away. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wonder where is Thailand, Papa? Papa is behind that tree. I can see your big jacket. Where is Tyler? Where is my Tyler? Yesterday you gonna put your hand in dog doodle. Come. Tyler, you're behind the tree. I see you. He said he's playing hide and seek. So funny. The swans, right, honey? Sarah, look. Look, Princess, look. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at them. You see that? Cool.
Mama, it's black water.
Because it's a lake. You're not supposed to go in it. Look at Princess face.
It's because Castor is in there.
Huh?
It's because Castor is in there.
What is castor?
Castor is the little animals that will with the teeth like this and eat the wood. See what I mean?
Okay, no, that's not in there.
Oh, that's where.
I don't know, but that's not in water.
Canada.
Maybe.
That's in Canada, but why is not in France?
Come in the frame. Oh, Tyler, look up. Tyler, look up.
Don't see nothing.
Look in the camera.
Don't see nothing.
Hey.
Mama.
We're still on the trail.
Mama.
Almost finished it. We're heading back to the car and then we're going home. It's a long day.
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You enjoy your picnic?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Now I'm ready to go home.
Me too. We're going to the car, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Where's Papa? Papa.
I lost something.
Oh.
Là, assis. Assis. Viens, mon chien. Pas bouger.
A perfect view of the lake.
Maman.
Finally getting it. Here. You see fish? Oh yeah, I see one. But I don't think these fishes can eat. I don't think so.
Non, c'est sûr que dans ça va.
Babe, honey, Sarah, look. Ooh. Tyler, look up, Mama. Tyler, look up, Mama. Ty, look up.
Tyler?
Tyler, this way. Look at me. Hey, look. This boy is a coward, I tell you.